2 here and 2 here. So just go, I don't have those either, so just go ahead and take those 4 off. There you go. Like I said before, it's just going to be your 2 here, your 2 there, and then just be careful when you're pulling it out. It's got the integrated turn signals. Now when you're hooking it up, it's only going to have 2 wires on the outside. You see the blue wire and the yellow wire. Now what you're going to need to do, most of your lights you're going to have these 2 wire connectors. You're going to find the colored wire on each one of these. On this one it looks like it's gray. On this one it looks like it's going to be green. So find the positive wires, those are the positives, and stick your blue and your yellow into the connecting and corresponding turn signal. So it out, left turn signal, left turn, right turn signal, right turn. See how there's no sag? That's a big issue with this bike. Normally there's a sag. I wonder if it's on my other one over here. Yeah, you see that? That's a big issue on our bike, this 2005 ZX6R. But this new, like I said, on eBay, only 20 bucks. I mean, that looks like it fits pretty well. It's not moving anywhere. So yeah.